this pointer to this corner, and you can click over here, so you can see all the application.
So like what corners like this, like that.
So it detects wireless. Somewhere we can find maybe a hotspot.
We do have a wireless.
Yeah.
The password is technology with a small t.
So this is about actually, if you switch on another OLPC, so this is this machine. So he will automatically detect the next machine.
So if I had one and I turned it on, it would
automatically connect each other. So no need to.
Could it connect to this? Yeah.
You can try.
I have another question. Why do you provide laptops? Why can't they just go about the things the way they normally do? Why did who made the organization choose to make the organization? Why would he want to give laptops to children?
So it's about first thing is education is the best thing. We can solve many things like poverty, right? So when if a kid has this kind of device, he can learn himself, and let's say a collaboration. This is really cool. Nice to share your knowledge with someone else. I think you're one of your friends. So that's what their main idea.
Okay, so do they just keep it in school or do they take it home?
Yeah, there are 5 rules. So it's about, this is for not let's say 30 students in a class. So we are not giving up 5 selected students. We have to give to all the students in that school, in that age range. And where students has, we have to let him to take the device to his home, and in that case he can learn. Actually, his let's say his brothers and sisters can learn. And even in Sri Lanka, we give one device to the teacher, and even because she need to use the same device.
Sorry, but once you get do you give the same one, exact same one? Do you give a more advanced one? In this school, all the students, when you're in junior school, you get these laptops.
Yeah, same device. There is nothing. But maybe
are there device upgrades, software upgrades?
Actually, let's say, yeah. So since this has a Fedora, so you will get updates for the Fedora operating system, and again this regarding these activities, whatever the stuff. Yes, the community. So there is volunteers working on these applications. For example, if you need if you have a talent in developing application, so you can contribute to there is a project called Sugar Foundation. So you can develop application, and you can let's say there is a package called I Learn India or I Love India, something. It's about learning about geographical stuff about India, and the same thing for other countries. So if you likewise, so it's possible actually getting updates. And regarding the hardware stuff, so OLPC Australia program, they have a different way. So they do actually, as I said, this is just for $100. So but over there actually they give a $400 package. It's about training to instead of apart from this giving the device, they do a professional training for teachers, and they give spare parts. And okay, I can share some photos over there in Sri Lanka. Some of the kids actually, they are, I think, actually initially the keyboard was just full of rubber. It's not like this separate plastic material over here. So we noticed that in some devices enter key was missing. Maybe they removed it. It's kids, right? So we saw such things, but even some of the kids were actually actually the display was damaged due to let's say if you keep your pencil over here and close the lid, or place your eraser and close the lid. So that kind of things. So anyway, actually it's due to lack of awareness and things.
So now you're trying to like make models that are more protected, so if they drop them.
So more kid friendly. So
Yeah, actually now there is a tablet edition for US. I mean, because according to their context, so it's now actually actually these laptops are actually actually nowadays we can find most of tablets, right? Most of people getting used to tablets. So there will be a tablet edition with it's running on top of with Android. So I can share some videos with you. So are you going to present something?
Yeah, we just want to show this is the, and then we're going to sort of say a bit like how you said this is what it's for, this how it's designed.
Yeah.
Is there like a desktop version of this? Or they're all designed to be portable and movable?
So actually let's say if you want to for let's say my laptop, this is general purpose machine, right? So but I can use this OS because this is with this machine use a Fedora operating system. I can install it on this laptop. Actually I already have it, right? And again I can install this Sugar desktop.
So could we
Yeah.
download, could we get online and download the same operating system as
So
all
actually
the
I can
programs?
show it. I already
Could we do it on these is what I'm wondering.
for these actually this Apple
I mean, we might not have administrative privileges on the machines in their hands, but we could get it if you say it's possible.
okay, so you want to do it right now?
Well, I suppose I'm thinking, guys, just to interrupt, if you want a demo, you have some time before tonight when your parents are coming to learn a few programs. So I'd want to know what basic programs should they each try.
But I think
And the
it's
other
best
thing-
if we use the original one.
No, I know, but the thing is, I'd still like to know whether we could learn it on
an Apple.
an Apple,
Okay,
just to know what the kids
so
learn.
do you have a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM?
Yes.
Okay, this
See, a
one.
CD player, yeah.
Oh, the
You
CD.
can, you can put a CD in here, on the right, no?
Yeah, so what I can
Yeah.
do is I have we can burn it to a DVD and boot from the DVD, right?
Okay.
So we can try that.
Just one question.
Is it-
How many countries does?
Okay, let me see the document. So there are several countries. Actually, as I heard from somewhere, maybe from Nigeria, I think actually they were using this device as a light source in the night time.
That is very cool because we're
Yeah.
doing light as one of the other basic
Actually,
needs.
earlier versions came with a dynamo. So instead of so as the first release, they had a dynamo to charge the battery.
Yeah. Mm.
So if you want to shut down this device, so you can go to
If you close the lid, would it shut down?
no.
Does it is everything like customized to?
Actually, yeah,
For kids.
you have the since we are using Linux, okay, you have freedom to customize it. So even if we have general purpose laptops, we can install these.
You have like software that you can allow the kids to customize it for themselves. So like
Customizing themselves, I'm not sure. We haven't tried with the kids over there. But one thing, so basically, so have you tried computing in any other language other than English? So this system you can boot from let's say Tamil, Sinhala, let's say whatever the other languages. So that means localization. For that actually you can contribute. So you don't need to get a specific permission from somewhere. Let's say, so I'm not criticizing anyone, but let's say we found a mistake in Microsoft Windows, okay, but you can't directly change it, right? So we have to inform to Microsoft. But in this case, actually we can easily communicate with these contributors. Let's say if you found a issue, some typo on a specific application, so you can help them to contribute. It's not just about using the laptop. So even you can contribute, and even you can introduce this device to one of your friend or relative. So it's about kind of a contribution, right? So that's the okay. Once